Hi everyone, Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am part one of two of a husband-wife wedding photography team. We are here to bring you photography education. If you're a mom, a business owner, we have content that merges those two, but we are a Baltimore top 10 wedding team. And today I'm sharing with you our favorite and must needed apps to be a wedding photographer, okay? So my top apps for wedding photography, I'm so excited to dive in, so here we go. Number one, Lightroom, okay? Lightroom is an incredible photo editing application. We have it on our phone for mobile. We also have it on all of our computers, whether it's an iMac or a MacBook Pro. That is our main editing tool. You need it, it's awesome, download it. Number two, Photoshop. Photoshop can be used for photo editing. We use it for retouching, for getting exit signs out, for photo swaps, head swaps, literally. As you'll see, there's a bunch of stuff here that we need Photoshop to fix and help. I've even taken myself out of photos before because a second shooter shot, it was a beautiful reaction, but I'm in it. Number three, Photo Mechanic. So I found Photo Mechanic late in the game. This is our 7th year full-time. I just started using Photo Mechanic like a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago. It has cut down my culling. Culling, C-U-L-L-I-N-G, is the process for picking out the photos you want delivered to your client. That's the way I explain it to people. You are picking out everything that you want to edit. Hopefully that all gets delivered. In that process, you might get rid of stuff, but we use Photo Mechanic for that process. It's easy, it's a one-time, you buy it for under $200, and it's so easy to use. I actually have a whole nother video about that, so definitely check that out. Another application that we highly encourage is Quickbooks Online. So I know you might be saying like, that's not really a wedding photography application, but hello, you're running a business. So accounting, managing your money, seeing your profit and loss. We love QuickBooks Online. We have our credit cards linked to that. We have the ability to see who owes money, who doesn't owe money. What's awesome about QuickBooks Online is that if you're using a HoneyBook, which is my next must-have app and software, HoneyBook can also integrate with QuickBooks, okay? So on that note, QuickBooks is awesome for accounting. HoneyBook is what we use for contracts and invoicing. We also use it as a communication tool with clients so that everything is in one place. Yes, Gmail is great. We love it. That integrates with HoneyBook as well, but HoneyBook is so amazing. I have a link below. Feel free to check it out. You can sign up using my referral link. I would absolutely encourage you, if you do not have something that manages your clients, your workflow, your contracts, your invoicing, oh my gosh, it is so great. Okay, obviously you're a wedding photographer. How on earth do you deliver galleries? So we have used CloudSpot. We are currently using Pixieset. We've done past, they're all great, okay? I think it's personality. I think we ended up coming back to Pixieset just because we loved the functionality. We loved our experience with it. CloudSpot is also great. Pass is also great. I think figure out what you love, try it out, and have an option that's beautiful for delivering galleries that's not just a folder structure on a flash drive or just not a Dropbox link or a CD. If anyone does CDs, good on you. But we do USBs and Pixieset. Okay, I'm gonna talk about the extras. Okay, so extras for us are things that we use day in and day out. You don't have to have them, but man, using these apps are gonna like expedite and make your business as a wedding photographer more efficient. So the first one is Canva. We love Canva. The second one is Squarespace. That's just where that's the company that hosts our website, and actually our whole website. If you go check livingradiant.com, our website is built in Squarespace, and we use Canva to like even make the headers and some of the text that's inside that, okay? Marketing tools, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Do you have to have them? I would say yes, we rely heavily on Instagram. Half of our business comes from Instagram, believe it or not. Facebook, I just love it because I can keep up with past couples. I see their friends get engaged. I see them at bachelorette parties, and those are potentially my future clients. So Facebook is a marketing tool for me. I use it for business. I use it to keep up on people, and I use it to share my own life, okay? All right, other amazing things. Unfold, beautiful Instagram story creation, content creators, love Unfold. Mile IQ is a great app. Mile IQ helps me track my mileage to and from sessions and weddings. So at the end of the year, I can just print off a PDF and email it over to my CPA, and he can track my miles and equate that to finances or financials, okay? Two more things that I love having. Bitly is one of them. It's a URL shortener that you can track all of your clicks. And then last but not least, very important, is Flowdesk. I absolutely love Flowdesk. It's how we send our email campaigns out. We made that switch from MailChimp to Flowdesk last year, mainly because I wasn't super consistent with sending emails, and the price just made sense to me, and they're beautiful. That's just a bonus. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Lots of options, lots of amazing apps. Comment below if you have any questions about any of these, or if you just have questions. I'd love to help answer anything that I can. Most of these companies have amazing FAQs and question and answer and a live chat. So reach out to them. They'll hook you up. But anyway, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for showing up. I can't wait to talk to you guys some more, get to know you all. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.